Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to turn on your mic while screen recording on iPhone. If you want to turn on your mic while screen recording on iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure to go to settings on a device and see microphone. Click on the option of microphone and here you'll be able to see all of the options. So after that, you just need to go back to your home screen and scroll from the very top right hand side. So after scrolling from the very top right hand side, if you have not added home screen record on your control center, then you won't be able to find it. So long press on the empty button and here you'll see the option of add a control. So simply tap on it and here you'll be able to find screen record. Currently I have already added on my, so simply tap on it to screen record on a device. But if you want voice also, make sure to long tap on it, and if the microphone is off then you won't be able to record this voice while screen recording on iPhone. So simply tap once on the microphone option and you'll be able to get voice on your screen recording on iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can turn on voice while screen recording on iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.